Have you ever heard the saying broke the internet? Like someone broke the internet or this viral thing broke the internet? Well, pretty sure Taylor Swift just broke the university system. She basically destroyed it. Let me walk you through what I'm talking about. As you can see here, universities are now offering college courses on Taylor Swift. Stanford University announcing this college course where you're learning about the lyrics of Taylor Swift songs. We'll go into more. Harvard, Florida, Arizona universities to launch course on pop icon Taylor Swift. NYU, Forbes is announcing NYU takes a deep dive into the singer's career and impact with their new college course. And several more colleges, as you can see here. University of Cal Berkeley, Florida, Delaware, BYU, Bowling Green, Miami, South Florida. This is crazy, right? Here's the thing. If a college, and some of these are like this, if a college in like business school, they're teaching you about like her branding and her business plan, things like that, I can see how that might be beneficial. But some of these are like, hey, let's just dissect Taylor Swift's lyrics and teach this in college or university. That's crazy. This is insane. At the same time, these universities are jacking up their prices. An average college degree, you're talking like $80,000 to $100,000 and like 5.5 years of time for a bachelor's degree. Now, do you want to do that if you're diving into college and you're learning random things that are never going to apply in your career? I don't think that's fair. If you disagree, comment down below. Like, I'd love to hear everyone's thoughts on this. But I personally don't think universities should be teaching about Taylor Swift lyrics. But here's the crazy thing. We still need that stupid piece of paper, the college diploma, because it gets us pay raises, qualifies us for better jobs, and all of that. But do we want to spend $100,000 in 5.5 years of time to learn about things like Taylor Swift song lyrics? I don't know about that. Good news, if you don't know who I am, my name is Ryan. I teach people how to earn college degrees faster. I earned a bachelor's degree in 9 months. And I've helped people go as fast as 3 months for bachelor's degrees. You can't do it the school's way, though. They're getting out of this world crazy. They are teaching random weird things. They're pulling stuff out of thin air, and they're charging a fortune. So we got to go against the grain. We can't use their textbooks and study guides and lesson plans and homework and quizzes and sit through teachers' lectures or anything like that. If we want degrees faster, we have to take a different approach and basically test out of our college classes. And if you're thinking like, man, that's crazy, I'm not smart enough to test out of classes. Well, of course, none of us really are, maybe a very small percentage. Essentially what we do is we figure out exactly what you're going to be tested on, and then you just study those things real quick, and then you test out of the class. You can do this really, really quickly. Like I'm literally helping students who will finish 2 or 3 college classes every week. 1 class a week is pretty normal for students that work with me instead of an entire semester. So if you don't want to sit here and listen to Taylor Swift lyrics lectured to you by some random college professor, Taylor Swift's awesome. Like, let's go listen to her in our free time. But let's not spend a fortune learning about Taylor Swift in college when we can just hack college and test out of all of our classes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a video right here. I'm going to walk you through the 3-step process of degree hacking. If you want to learn how to do it, watch this video.